Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, yesterday I was talking about how this is very likely an ABC correction to this last wave up, which I still think is very, very likely. I was saying that if it goes below the 100%, then my next target would be the 161, 178. So we just did make a bounce from the 178, the 168 that is. So if this does break up on shorter time frames, then that probably tells us that it really is an ABC and that it really is going back up. I would be very cautious because the trend is definitely down on all these higher time frames, and there's always a chance that this is just a normal bounce within a downtrend. So definitely be careful of the higher time frame trends all being down. Now, like I said, at wave C, often the 161, 178 is the target for an expanding ABC correction like we possibly are in. So price for me needs to break above these areas right here. I need to see a break of structure. Then I need to wait patiently for a pullback after the break of structure. Then I would go long after the pullback right here. Because the trend is down on every single higher time frame, I would have to wait, be patient, and wait for the proper entry because there's a chance this is just a normal bounce and that it rejects this area and just keeps on going down. The trend is down on all the higher time frames, and as always, the trend is your friend. And normally, when you fight the trend, you get the crap beat out of you and you lose all your money. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.